So, you want to make a thumbnail? I'll go to Start, Programs, Accessories, Paint. Here we go. So now what we can do is we can click on this brush here, click on the big circle, and we can write text. There we go. Okay, this is too basic. Let's, I don't know, get something good here. There we go. Okay, we're gonna copy this. And we're gonna edit and paste. Yes. Copy that. And what we're going to do is open up Paint again. Edit. Paste. Yeah, okay. Shrink this sucker down. We can put text. Put our text box here. There we go. And we're going to edit the text size. There we go. Gonna make the text lighter. There we go, we have our thumbnail. Gonna save. Save. There you go. That is how you make a YouTube thumbnail the professional way.